back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do the watercolor dye on this beautiful 613 wig right here. So in my last video I was talking about how I'm going to have a wig collection, and I really wanted to dye this hair a burgundy color. So I wanted to show you guys on camera, and this is the first time that I'm doing this, so hopefully it turns out great. So I have 3 dyes here, and it is the Adore collection. I have Rich Amber, Burgundy Envy, and Jet Black. I went ahead and put the kettle on, and I have steaming hot water here, so I'm going to go ahead and put it inside the plastic container. So I'm going to just put some more water in here and have that heat up. I have gloves because dye is very strong, and it can get all over your hands and your skin. It can take a long time to come off. I also laid some newspaper down so that way I don't destroy my cabinets and my island. Also my countertop. Perfect. So I have the gloves on and put the dyes inside the hot water that I have ready. I'm going to go ahead and take the Burgundy Envy, and I'm going to squeeze it into the bucket. I really don't know how much they use. I think the full thing. I'm going to just put as much as I feel comfortable doing. So next I'm going to put the Rich Amber. Used like half of the Jet Black. So I don't want to use too much, but I'm going to try it just a little bit. So then you need something to mix everything together. Make sure you mix it properly so there are no clumps in there. Okay, so right now, I'm going to lift the bucket so you guys can see. You can see this is it. I'm going to put a bit more hot water in there. Just to tap it, to kind of give it the heat. And now for the part that you guys have been waiting for, dipping the actual wig inside the watercolor. Nervous. I don't want to fuck this wig up, but here goes nothing. Okay, so I saw on YouTube that it said to test the color before you put the whole entire thing in. I wish I had a towel so that way I can put the hair on it, but we'll figure that out as we go. So I'm going to test the bottom to see the color. I can't believe I'm doing it. Oh wow. So now that I've done the test, looks like the color that I want. I'm going to put the whole thing in. Okay, so now I have the whole thing inside. Okay, so now I have the whole thing inside. As you can see, I'm going to zip. I'm just gonna leave, so I've essentially brushed the entire wig. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna essentially leave the wig in here for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna let it completely soak up all the color, and then at that point we will decide whether or not it's good enough. Okay, so I'll be back.